Hello and welcome everyone back to the channel. That's a mixture of I am and I have. Let's start again. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have popped down to Calshot Beach. It is 6:30 in the morning. We have sunrise in about an hour, so I'm going to jump out the camper van shortly and go for a little walk. But if you haven't heard already, because I'm not quite sure what order any of these videos are going to be coming out in, I have a different camera today. So for those of you that watch the channel know that I'm primarily a Canon shooter for 16 years now, but today I have hired, or this week I have hired, the famous, I don't know, Fuji X100VI. I'm really keen to find a good portable camera. I know all cameras are portable, but a good camera that I can take on short trips, camper van trips, walks, days out, nights away, things like that, that isn't big and bulky and heavy but still gives quality photos. And I know it's been in the camera world for ages recently, you know, for all sorts of things, saying how good it is, how great it is, how brilliant it is. It's been hyped up a lot, and I'm going to see if it really is as good as everyone is saying. Now there's probably far better people than me out there to comment on technical aspects of cameras and things like that, but I just want to take good photos with it, be able to carry it around quite easily without having to carry lumpy lenses. Fixed lens, one lens. There's very limited scope you can do with it unless you use your feet as the zoom. But let's see how we get on. Down to the beach, see what sort of shots we can get for sunrise, and I'll show you the walk from the main car park down to Calshot Beach. We've got buses and lorries and all sorts coming in. Bit of a busy car park, this one. But yeah, I'll put the link somewhere down below to the All Trails link for this walk. Starts at the main car park. There are other car parks along the route, but this will take us from Calshot main car park at the start of the beach all the way along the beach to Calshot Castle and the activity centre, and then back again. I think it's only about 2 miles round trip, so out and back. So let's go for a walk. Still quite dark, but let's see what we can get. Okay, so what do I think? How's it been so far? So the walk's really good, really easy. I come pretty much straight along the beach, apart from a couple of rock-ins to the middle. Camera looks a bit high, but I'm sure you can put up with that. Yeah, dead simple walk. I've been going for 1.5 miles, but I have been zigzagging, and for over an hour because I've been stopping, taking photos and stuff. It wouldn't take that long for a normal walk. Easy to do. There is a cafe here, but it's not open yet because it is still only just 8 o'clock. In terms of the camera, initial thoughts are, yes, it's limiting compared to what I'm used to. The buttons aren't as intuitive, or that's probably to do with the fact that I've been using the Canon system for 16 years. 16 years on the Tomorrow. Wow. 16 years tomorrow was my first professional photograph that I got paid for. Anyway, so yeah, 16 years of using one thing. What hasn't really changed a lot over the years in terms of menu structure and things like that. But it will just take getting used to it. It's my first day. I've got it for another 7. I'm going to try and use it on at least 5 different days on different subjects. Today's just been a walkabout to get used to it. I'm hoping to go out with the family and get some portraits in the forest. I'm hoping to get some close-ups. I'm hoping to go somewhere that I've never been before, or somewhere that I've never really shown you guys before, that I know has got some nice photo opportunities depending on the weather. So yeah, I've still got a bit more to do. Castle around the corner here that I'm going to go see, and then I'll take a walk back. I've got the car parked till 10. I was hoping to get a coffee. It doesn't look like the coffee's going to happen, but yeah, let's carry on down that way. But I'm just going to sit here for a minute and enjoy the view. So yeah, from what I've seen, I'm pretty pleased with what I've got so far. The walk was good. I'm still at the far end near the castle, which you may be able to see just there. Yeah, it's not been too bad. Some nice photos that I think I'm happy with. I'll get them in the computer and do some editing. You'd have seen the edited ones, so if you've seen them, I'm happy with them. The walk's easy, we've done it before. Yeah, so pretty pleased with those photos. That is it for this video. If what I've got going on in my head is going to work out, then that is the first video of probably 5. It's going to be a busy week, but I need to make the most of this camera while I've got it. This is the first video of 5. Stay tuned for the rest. Subscribe if you want to see me try all sorts of different things with the Fuji, portraits, detail shots, all that kind of stuff. Hopefully coming up on the channel over the next few weeks when the camera is long gone. But until then, why not give us a thumbs up? Really helps the channel. And subscribe if you want to see more stuff. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Bye for now.